These beautiful rose dumplings are one of the most elegant homemade dishes you'll ever see. Everything begins with soft, fresh dough and a juicy mixture of seasoned minced meat, onions, and herbs. The filling is carefully spread. Then each strip is gently rolled into a delicate rose shape by hand. Every dumpling is crafted with patience and precision. They are steamed until perfectly tender, keeping all the delicious flavors inside. Finally, the rose dumplings are served hot with rich tomato sauce, fresh herbs, and warm tea. They look like flowers but taste even better. Would you try these amazing rose dumplings? Follow for more delicious recipes from around the world.